Right, hi everyone, good day. I did a potential trade on Euro USD. I did an analysis on that yesterday, and just overnight, over the Asian session, it actually started the first move, and it's playing out like a fairy tale, really. So I was able to catch it on the Asian session, but I know one thing I know is New York session will not want to miss out on this move. So it's actually very possible we come back and test again and move with the New York session. So you can just watch out for that move. I did say that when it breaks from here, from this diagonal line, that we are going to pump upwards, and it happened. On the 4 hour we had two solid candles going up, so I am actually thinking it might come back to this level, because this line here, let's see, it looks like a potential resistance or support, so it might actually bounce off here and then continue the move to the upside. So we'll just look out for that. On the 15 minutes it's clearer. So the line I drew on the 4 hour, you can see it's kind of a mini. Here it was a resistance because it touched, broke and fell off, and then finally touched again, then broke out from there. So it's possible if New York is gonna come in on this trade, they are gonna definitely try to enter around here. So if I want to long again, I will just look to enter around here, and then the stops will be along the diagonal, or sorry, the perpendicular line, along the horizontal line from this, where it broke out from the triangle, this junction here where it broke out. So that'll be the stops. I'll just put it a bit below that, and yeah, so New York could totally come in and move on this. Let me see how good that is, because I don't want it to be just at the tip of a resistance or a support. So I'm just going to put it below these lines so that we do not bleed. And yeah, so if the play is going to happen on the New York session, I'm going to go all the way up there because of these levels. So I would be expecting the trade to reach those levels. It might never get down here, or it might, but New York do like coming in on trade. So this is just an update on this Euro USD swing trade. It's playing out good. Actually has played out. I've already eaten, but it's possible that New York want to get in on the action. So keep your eye on the charts and look out for more interesting patterns like this, because these ones are really good. Okay, let me talk on why this breakout was even important. So you can see it had not broken out from the beginning of this diagonal, had not broken out, but then here was just a wick stood out, but the candle could not close above the diagonal. And then look onto here, very close, it could not. But here we had the wick first of all, then we had a strong bullish candle that closed out of the above the diagonal line. So that was where I got very interested. And then we had this one, so this was the retest. It came back and came back all the way here. So coming out again, I'm seeing how strong it's coming out, seeing how strong it is. I'm like, okay, that's the move right there. This is on the 15, so you have to really zoom in to see when it wants to start the move, and then that happened. So I'm just looking for a potential retest along these lines with New York, and then we might get another pump. All right, so yeah, keep checking your charts, and I will also be looking at mines. Bye bye.